Okay, all you property owners out there, let me tell you what happens when you buy trees from Southern California. You don't buy them from Golden Gate Palms locally. Southern California is infested with Fusarium oxysporon variety canariensis. Northern California is not. Guess where these trees came from? Want to take a guess? Southern California. I'm over here in Emeryville, California, and this is so ridiculous, man. People are like, oh, I'm going to save $50 on this $15,000 tree because these guys in Southern California are selling it for $50 cheaper than Gary. Oh, but oh no, look what happens. Then you're in it for like $50K trying to take these things out and put in something else. That's what we're doing today. I'm down here in Emeryville on Powell and Hollis, kind of near the Pixar studios. But yeah, I saw these trees a long time ago, and I'm like, oh man. They literally got Fusarium like soon thereafter planting. So first of all, you should really ask yourself if you should plant these canaries at all. And if you do, you got to use extreme protocol to not allow them to get this disease to begin with. One tree finally died completely, so now we're going to put in a Washingtonia Filibusta hybrid. It's going to look frigging awesome in front of this building. It's going to be extremely difficult to get in. How much stuff do you think will break before we get in?
How much stuff?
Yeah, maybe just a couple pavers.
Hopefully that's all, yeah.
Hopefully that's all. I think that's all. Knock on paper.
Yeah.
All right, so first we gotta dig a big hole. It's gonna be a rodeo. I'll take a little video later just for pure entertainment purposes. But there's a really interesting sculpture here. It looks like a bunch of naked rugby players in a scrum. Is that what I'm looking at? Can't tell. Does that look like a bunch of naked rugby players in a scrum?
Yes, it does.
That's the best way I could describe this artwork here. A bunch of naked rugby players in a scrum. I don't see the ball though. Anyway, it's an interesting sculpture, I guess. And there's some pretty water going. All right, let's get the road. Let's get the show on the road. There we go. Another rodeo. Just showed up with the tree on this big truck. Can you see it? Can you see it? Is it back there? Hopefully it's still there. You see it in the mirror a little bit. See it? See it? Yep, it's there. Still there. Didn't fall off on the road. Not yet. Only got like 150 feet to go, so hopefully I'll be okay. Oh, I'm sorry, plants. Sorry. We'll grow back. We'll be okay. Looking good. Looking good. They say we're looking good. They say we're looking good. Nothing really bad's happened yet. Day's not over though. I think I'm getting right where I need to be. Let's try that. Oh, that's a big long tree. That bed is 20 feet long. And we got another, what, 15, 18 feet, probably 35 foot tall tree. It's gonna be right there when we're done. It's gonna be beautiful. So what do we have today? We have a hybrid. We have a beautiful Washingtonia hybrid with huge fronds and a huge head. So if you've been watching my videos, here's some nice backdrop. If you've been watching my videos, you'll have noticed that the California fan palm will die eventually when you're near the bay because of black diamond scale. That's Washingtonia Filibusta. Well, if you get the Washingtonia robusta, it'll do great because it's coastal adapted for whatever reason, evolutionarily. And then if you get a really good hybrid, it will also do well. That's what this is here. Black diamond scale are these little spots that you get on the trees that are black. You can see this tree does not have it at all. And so this is about as big of a stud Washingtonia hybrid that you could ever get. When you get your trees, you want studs. Big, fat, huge, oversized. That's what we have here. So anyway, I just untied the tree, evidenced by the rope. Now we gotta get this tree in with the crane. It's gonna be a bit of a task, but we'll get it done. And this is what it looks like looking at the sun through the palm fronds. Woo. Once you see people doing this, you want to stop what you're doing.
Yeah.
And also do that. Like, how's that for some advertising? Huh?
Yeah, I like it.
You gotta stand back pretty far to see this tree. This is a huge tree. Look at it. Look at this big boy tree in front of the naked rugby scrum. Yeah, there it is. Hopefully we get this thing fully in the air. That's the biggest Washingtonia I've ever come across. Hybrid. Look at the head on that thing. It's absolutely huge. It's probably 15, 16 feet across. Probably 35 foot of trunk tree, 30 foot of trunk, something like that. All right, let's do it. Look at the palm tree. It's huge.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that cool? Heck yeah, man. I didn't want you to walk by without seeing it. You're welcome. Oh, so pretty. So much prettier. Gotta stand way back, way back. Look how big this tree is.
Look at the lines on the building.
Look at this. Doesn't that look cool?
That's awesome.
Look at that thing. Oh my. I'll be able to come by here the rest of my life and be like, that's my baby! My baby's all grown up! Yeah. Look, it's got a beautiful sculpture. We won't ask what's happening in the sculpture, but oh, isn't that pretty? Yeah. Oh, I get further back. This tree's too big. Can't get it all in the frame. Yeah, there it is. It's looking pretty sharp. Is it straight though? That's the question. See that line right there going up right next to the tree? That's how you straighten it. It's pretty straight. Yeah, at least in that direction. Got to go in two directions, 90 degrees of each other. See if it's straight. So it's straight on that 90-degree angle. What about this one? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that, I got lucky. See it squared up to the building next to it? That's perfectly straight. I think I'm done. Time to backfill and get out of here. Oh, palm trees make everything sexier. It was a sexy building, but now it's extra sexy. So look how pretty that is. Now we gotta go clean it all up. Get out of here. Rugby scrum! You want a rugby scrum with me?
Sure.
I don't even, he pushed me out into traffic. He's like, dude, I'm gonna throw you under the bus. That's the first time you've ever thrown anybody under a bus?
No.
Yeah. He won the scrum though. You look, there's the bus. You missed by a couple seconds and a couple feet. What do you think, Dave?
Good job, Gary.
Yeah, you like it?
Yep.
All right.
Pleasure doing work with you today. I learned
Cool.
quite a bit, in fact.
Right. And if you ever need like general tree work done, do you know anybody to call for that?
Yes, I do. That would be us, Tree Masters.
Oh, yeah. Tree Masters. All right, here's the finish shot. Here's the finish shot. There. Woo! Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Bitchin' tree. Everyone loves my palm trees. Everybody. The only problem with my palm trees is you got to back up so far to see how sexy they are. Can you see it now? There, how's that? I got the rugby scrum in there too. Let me frame it up real good for you. Real good. Real good. Look. He said it was awesome. Is it awesome? Awesome? Yeah. He said it was awesome. All right, he knows this street really well. All right, cool, there it is. I'm over and out. See you going to the next job.